All right, heading up into the mountains. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It's Friday and my tank is still not green. Oh man, so you know, you're probably wondering why not? What happened? I tried to wrap the tank with one piece. I know it's possible. I watched a video from CK Wraps. He did it, but I mean, he's a professional, right? He's doing this for a living, wrapping things all the time. I'm definitely a beginner, not even a novice yet. And I tried and I tried and I tried, and eventually I got to a point where I was like, this isn't happening. I'm not going to finish this. And so take a step back, and Moto G Spot, he was like, hey, I had to wrap mine in two pieces or three pieces, two sides and the top. So like I was able to wrap this piece here just fine. It was when I tried to go over this lip here where I really struggled. I got lots of wrinkles, lots of bunching up, and really struggled with that. So Moto G Spot, he did, I mean, he's got a different bike, different tank, but he did the top as one piece, the sides as two separate pieces, and he used this thing he called knifeless tape. So you lay down your lines, you put your vinyl wrap over the top, and then you pull this knifeless tape, and it gives you a nice clean cut, so you don't have like any overlap. I was like, oh, awesome, that's what I'm gonna try. So I took all the wrap off the tank, and this morning I went to like 3 different stores. I couldn't find this knifeless tape anywhere. So at that point I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna order it online from Amazon or whoever. But then it's like, well, that's, you know, obviously it's not going to come today. My thought was, if I could find this knifeless tape at a local store, I could finish the wrap and still edit the video for today, Friday. And actually, today is not Friday, today is Thursday. But when you see this, it'll be Friday. And so when I couldn't find one at a store, man, that beat got me good. I don't know what it was, but it was big. So when I couldn't find the knifeless tape at a store, and I decided I'm gonna have to order it, then it was like, I can't. It's like 85 degrees out today. That's right, 85 degrees. This is the warmest day we've had this year, and it's getting up. Well, that was a forecast. I don't think it's quite 85 yet. It's probably like high 70s, maybe low 80s, but it's awesome. And so I was like, no, I'm not just gonna not ride my bike on the most awesome day of the year so far. So we slapped her all back together, which wasn't a lot. These little plastic side pieces, this piece right here, the seat, and the tail section. Not a huge deal to slap it all back together. And then when the finish line, I keep wanting to say finish line, I don't know why, but the knifeless tape. When I get the knifeless tape in, then we'll just pull it back apart and get the tank wrapped, and that should make it a lot easier. And I'll practice with the knifeless tape a couple of times. I'll just take some small scrap pieces, put it on there, and just see how it works. But yeah, so that was my epic fail from last night and this morning, Wednesday night, Thursday morning. So here we are, man, back on the bike. Oh gosh, it's gorgeous out. I love it. I love it so much. I love it when it's hot, 85, 90 degrees. Good deal. I don't know, man. That trailer looks maybe like it's overloaded. Axles are bending, wheels are cocked sideways. Just doesn't look safe. Here's another thing that's really been bought. That's a nice Jeep. I dig that Jeep. Here's the thing that has been bothering me lately. So I've got this cough, and I've had it for a couple of weeks now. It wasn't a big deal. It tends to be worse in the morning and at night, and not too bad during the day sometimes. And it's recently gotten a little worse. But I've had it for a couple of weeks now, and it's not unlike any cough I've had in the past. I get them every once in a while. And there she goes. My thing is, though, because of COVID, it's like I'm afraid to go anywhere, because if I cough, everybody's going to think the wrong thing. And I don't know, it's just super annoying. I don't, thanks for not waving there, Mr. Buell. I don't go out much. I don't really ride with other people. I don't come into contact with people when I do go for a ride. There was only one exception to that. Went through a drive-through once. That was interesting. Not too long ago, actually. But, yeah, so I went to 3 different stores today because I'm looking for this knifeless tape so I could wrap my tank in multiple pieces. And every time I'm like, I hope I don't, like, not just cough, like, you know, if it's one thing, it's just like one cough. You can kind of play it off like you're clearing your throat. You're like, you know, but sometimes when the cough gets bad, what's up, dude? Thanks for not waving. Sometimes when the cough gets bad, you go like rapid fire, you know, 2 or 3, maybe 4 coughs. And, you know, next thing you know, you've got 15 people staring at you with masks on. Like, there's ground zero. He's patient zero. Get him! Throw him out of the store. It's, you know, people are stupid. I've talked about that many, many times in lots of my videos. But they're just dumb. And they lose all kind of rational thinking when they're scared. They just everything you do when it's based on fear starts to become like super irrational. So I've been struggling with this, going places in public and just trying not to cough. So I got a bunch of cough drops, and I suck on those things like they're freaking candy if I have to go out, you know, to a store in public or anywhere. And then in my head I'm like, please don't cough, please don't cough, please don't cough, please don't cough. So it sucks, man. Everybody's, I don't know, people are pretty good about wearing masks around here. I see them everywhere. Oh gosh, it's so awesome outside. Yes! I love 80+ degree weather. And a nice little Kawasaki 400 maybe, not sure. Why? You've got this huge lane to merge in. Get with it. Man, see? People are dumb. They're just dumb. They don't know how to drive. They don't know nothing. Alright. Heading up into the mountains. What up, dude? Answer your phone. Oh, damn, that's me. Oh, dismiss it. Look at that view. Woohoo!
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, doubts and fairies, tell me where it's empty. Tax the rich, feed the poor, till there are rich no more.